How to insert a video clip between two videos that you're currently editing. This is using the inShot video editor app, and make sure you have the latest update of 2025, and let's get started. So as an example, let's just say you're working with one video and then you realize there's a video clip that you want to insert somewhere in here. So in order to do this, you want to make sure this white bar here is placed where you want to insert the video, because first you'll need to insert a split. So wherever this is, that's where the split is going to enter. And to add a split, in the top area here, you'll browse over until you see split, this option here. So I'll go ahead and tap on that once, and now it's going to separate my single video into two different videos. So what I'm going to do now here is, when this is like this here, separated, I want to tap on the video to my left. Then I want to now go ahead and add the video that I want to insert between these two clips. So I'll tap on this plus right here, this one right here. And when I do this, it's going to show this, and I'll tap on video or photo. And you can also do the same for a photo as well if you wanted to. So just as an example, let's say I'm going to add maybe this video here, okay, or this one here. Let's say I add this one here, and usually you can long press them to preview them if ever you wanted to know what they are. So when I press the check mark now, it's going to enter here. So it's not going to be placed right after the first video to my left that was separated, and you'll see that it appears like this here, okay? And let's just say you did that and the video appeared in another part of your video and you want to move it around. So what you're going to do is either long press any of these video clips here like this, hold it down until this happens. And this is going to allow you to switch them over. So maybe this is the inserted one and it appeared over here. You'll just simply move it around. So you can just hold it and just place it. And it's going to tell you by the number what place it is. So this is currently number 2, 3, this is number 1. And once you're done with the switching or adjusting, just press the check mark. And now you have your video that has been inserted between two video clips, okay? And as always, make sure you make any changes and edits before you hit the save, and that's that. Like and sub.